Hey guys, Funsho here from We Coach Crypto. Hope you're all doing well. Been a while since I've done one of these. We've been extremely busy with clients, and I just wanted to make sure that you guys get a market update and get an idea of where we're coming from with what's going on in the market at the moment. So as you guys know, we are on a mission to help 1 million people understand cryptocurrency. We're here to answer any questions and to help you guys. So if you've got any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Alternatively, you can obviously join our free Discord community where we have got absolutely tons of information and useful info to make sure that you guys can stay ahead in the crypto market. So let's go and take a look at CoinMarketCap and see what's going on in the marketplace. Okay, guys, so what we can see here is the current market capitalization is at $1.25 trillion. Okay, not really much movement in the market. Okay, Bitcoin at the moment is at $30,500. Ethereum is at $1,814. BNB, $291. We can carry on scrolling a bit. We've got Cardano. Cardano's moved quite nicely, actually. It's at 65 cents at the moment. It's up about 12% on the 7-day. But in general, we haven't got a great deal of movement in the market. We're stuck in a channel and we're waiting to either break down or break to the upside. So what I've got a close eye on at the moment is if we lose 29k with Bitcoin, then I would expect to start coming down and rolling over. If you have a look at the chart on the right hand side, we scroll back up to Bitcoin for a moment. Okay, you can see there on the right hand side that this has been up and down like a yo-yo, but on the far right you can see that it's starting to coil up a little bit. So there is a move that's going to take place in the next few days where we're going to start breaking out to the upside, but realistically I need to see Bitcoin at least 34k for me to be like, yeah, this is bullish and breaking out higher. But alternatively, which I think is more likely, is if we lose 29k, then we're coming down potentially as low as anywhere at 22 sort of K. And I think that would be the bottom in for Bitcoin. But look, none of us got crystal ball. Time will tell. I also want to talk about the sentiment in the market as well. There's a lot of fear. So let's take a look at the fear and greed index. Okay, so as you can see here, the fear and greed index is currently in extreme fear. It's at number 11. And if we look at the historical values, right now it's extreme fear. Yesterday it was extreme fear. Last week it was extreme fear. And last month it was extreme fear. So clearly there is extreme fear in the market at the moment. There are a lot of people that are running scared, a lot of people thinking that crypto is over and finished. But look, we use these indexes to our advantage. We know that when there's blood in the streets and people are panicking, they're selling, they're running away from crypto because they think it's done and dusted, that is the time to be accumulating more quality crypto, knowing that when the market returns, you're going to make yourself a huge amount of profit. So the other really important indicator that I want to take a look at and share with you guys is the CBBI. Right, so this is the CBBI. It's the Collins Talks Crypto Bitcoin Bull Run Index. Now, the confidence that we're at the peak is 24. So that's extremely low. Obviously, we're not at the peak for crypto right now, but this is a really useful piece of information as an index to look at because it takes into account a number of different metrics. It actually takes into account 10 different metrics, and these are extremely useful to look at. And I do advise that people keep an eye on the fear and greed index and the CBBI because it will give you a really good indicator as to where the market is and what kind of action you can take. Now, there will be links in the description to both of these so that you can make sure you're looking at them yourselves. So the other thing that I want to talk to you about today, guys, is what people actually need during times like this. And I think it's really important to highlight that whether you're getting started and you're brand new or you're someone that's been in the market for a number of years, there are certain things that people struggle with. Okay, it's only natural that that's going to occur. It's a new marketplace, new technology, extreme volatility in the market, And as a result, people don't really know what they're doing because, you know, if you've only been in this for a year or two, you've still got a lot to learn. You know, you haven't even been through an entire cycle yet, you know, that 4-year cycle, ups, downs, bear market, you know, sideways, taking advantage of those peaks and troughs. And there are certain things that I know people have been struggling with. So we're going to help as much as we possibly can. And the way that we're going to help is we're actually going to give away a free coaching call to every single person that wants one. Okay, it's first come, first serve. There are limited spaces, but for anyone that wants a free coaching call with me or some of the other members of our team, they can do that by clicking the link in the description and booking an appointment. And we are happy to go through what the best exchanges are, how to reduce your fees, when to buy, what to buy, how to buy, and also really important things that people forget about, like your mindset. You know, right now, this is a fearful time in the market. And it does play with your emotions, because if you've put a lot of money into something and you've done it quite high in that market cycle and it is down 50, 60, 80%, you know, it's only natural to think, oh my God, what's going on? What should I do? And even think about selling at a loss. But this is why we're here. We're here to give you the support and guidance that you need, the information, you know, the different resources, so that you can make a good informed decision about your investment in crypto. Okay. You know, there's things like averaging your prices lower, dollar cost averaging, making sure you've got the right mindset, that is so important, and understanding how to identify a quality project when you see one. And as we said at the beginning of this video, guys, we're here to help 1 million people understand cryptocurrency. So this is our way of giving something back to you. You get a free coaching call with us. All you've got to do is join our free Discord, click on book a free appointment, and schedule in the time, the day that you'd like to do that. You will get to speak to me or one of the rest of the team, and we'll help you and make sure that you're on the right track and you're going to benefit from what's going on in the market at the moment, because there are huge opportunities. What I'm going to be doing in my next video is actually covering some of the other amazing resources that are out there, including Crypto Rank, where you can look at the previous all-time highs of cryptocurrencies in a really simple way and take advantage of a really good strategy that Dean and I have spoken about recently, where you can look at quality projects that time and time again, when the market starts to move, they've performed well, but they're massively undervalued right now in the marketplace. And I'm also going to be talking to you guys as well about some of the other metaverse opportunities that are out there, because there are some big things happening at the moment. Illuvium's one that you guys should be keeping an eye on. There have been some big news come out recently with what they're doing. Other massive metaverse projects to keep an eye on, the Sandbox and Decentraland. They've got some huge things coming as well. There is so much opportunity out there, and I just want people to remember that this market is young and you're in early. And you might be looking at negative figures right now, but I can assure you, as long as you play your cards right, you've got your strategy in place and you know what you're doing, this will be the biggest opportunity you've ever had in your life to make generational wealth. So on that note, as always, guys, if you've got any questions, please make sure you leave them in the comments below. I look forward to catching up with you guys in the next video, and anyone needs anything, just let us know. Take care.